In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Canva. To get started, open Canva and click on Create a Design. This is where you'll begin building your project from scratch, or by using one of Canva's ready-made formats. Canva is especially helpful for this because it gives you a clean starting point and plenty of design options, even if you don't have any graphic design experience. Once you're in, search for Newsletter and choose a template that fits the style you want. Take a moment to browse through the options, instead of picking the first one you see. Some templates are more modern, some are more formal, and others are better for school, business, or community updates. Choosing the right template at the beginning can save you a lot of time later and make the editing process much smoother. After that, start adding your headlines, articles, images, and important updates. This is where your newsletter begins to take shape. Focus on making your main headline clear and noticeable, so readers immediately understand what the newsletter is about. Then fill in the article sections with concise, useful information. If you're adding images, make sure they support the content and help break up large sections of text. A good newsletter should feel informative without looking crowded, so try to keep a nice balance between visuals and written content. Next, customize the fonts, colors, and layout to match your style. This is the step where you make the template feel more personal or more aligned with your brand. You can adjust text size to create a clear hierarchy, choose colors that are easy on the eyes, and move sections around if the layout needs better flow. Try not to use too many font styles or too many bright colors at once, because that can make the newsletter harder to read. Keeping the design consistent usually makes it look more polished and professional. When your content and styling are in place, review your newsletter carefully and make sure everything is clear and easy to read. This final check is important. Look for spelling mistakes, uneven spacing, or text that feels too small. Also make sure your sections are organized in a way that guides the reader naturally from top to bottom. Once everything looks good, click Download or Share when you're finished. Downloading is great if you want a file to print or send manually, while sharing can be useful if you want to distribute it digitally right away. And that's it. That's how to create a newsletter in Canva from start to finish.